Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be installing a T-part wig from UNICE Hair. They sent over this beautiful 99J wig. 99J is one of my favorites after black, of course. But yeah, so, and I'm also here for a good curly wig, and this one was super cute and honestly super easy to install. So if you're someone who doesn't want to have to deal with, play with, construct, have to customize a whole lot with some lace, a T-part wig really might be your best friend because you can really, make these look good and natural. I feel like a lot of people probably find them a little bit intimidating only because you have like limited space to work with, but you can make a T-part wig look good. So I'm going to do mine in the most easy, basic way. I am plucking out the front of it because it does have a little bit of lace space there in the front for you to like customize and just make it look a little bit more natural, of course. Just making the hairline look thinned out because no one's hairline is probably that super thick, or even with the wig, you don't want your hairline to be super thick. It just makes it look wiggy. So that's what we're doing here. So I did pluck it out some. I'm going to go over it with my hot comb, add a little bit of that edge control as well, just to kind of get it flat, get it nourished, and just make it look healthy. So I'm doing that. I'm also going to pluck out that parting space because y'all can see that is not that visible. So I'm going to pluck that out some so that way you can actually see my parting space. And I'm going to create a fun little hairstyle. You guys saw it at the beginning. It's easy. So it just shows you that even though you have limited lace space, you can still be creative and create multiple hairstyles out of this wig. Okay, so the thing that took me the longest was just plucking out the front of it because I really liked how this wig looked in terms of the color and the curl pattern. So I wanted it to look good. So I'm going to pluck out that front space until I can get it as thinned out as I can. So once I get that done, I want to get it stuck in place. So I'm going to go in with my Ebon lace spray, and you can order this from the link in my description bar and use the code Kaya10. Save some money on your purchase. I'm pushing back that hairline with my rat tail comb and also using my blow dryer to make sure it is in place and just staying where I need it to stay. Then we're going to move on to that parting space, add in a little bit of concealer. You guys can see that concealer brought that parting space all the way together. I'm also going to add a little bit on that hairline as well because it's just going to help it open up a little bit and look more natural, like I said. And that's a little trick I do with my rat tail comb. I kind of just spread it across my parting space just to make sure that it is all blended. You don't want your concealer just sitting in your parting space like that, especially people can see that up close. But y'all can see already from when I first put that wig on to now after that customization, it looks really good. It honestly looks really natural too. So now I'm just going to cut the lace off. I always start off with the little tabs when I have closure space to work with because you want to get those little hard parts off at the end. It's just going to help that wig, again, look more natural. And then I kind of cut with a little jagged movement with my scissors. I'm going to move back into that hot comb because I like for my lace, I like for my hair, my roots to be as flat as they can because sometimes those thick wigs just be giving away wig and we don't want that. So I figured I always serve you guys with a parting space in the middle. So since I wanted to make it a little bit different, I'm going to do a little pull back style. And I'm going to pull some hair out in the front just to give it a little bit of a playful look. And then I'm going to pull back the top half of my hair into a ponytail. And then we're going to leave the remainder. We're going to leave the remainder hanging. So that way we have a half up, half down look with a little bit of two-piece play in the front. And then, of course, the hair had been combed out and played in a little bit. So I'm going to go in and add some water. But, y'all, this wig came together, okay? I also added a little bit of mousse just to keep that shine together. I'm really pleased. For one thing, UNICE just has really great quality hair. Like, every time I get a wig from them, the quality is always there. Like, the density is really good on this one as well. It was easy to customize. The color is beautiful. So, UNICE, you did it again for me, okay? I really like this wig, and you guys will see me wearing this on social media. So make sure you guys follow me because I'm going to be rocking this wig for sure. So if you guys are interested in it, make sure you check out my description bar below. I'll have a direct link there for you. Thank you to UNICE for sending over today's wig. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.